Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10th Biology, chapter number 13, Sport and the Movement. The number one is the human skeleton. Human skeleton, the framework of the hard articulating structure, means the joint of the different bones, which provide the protection and the attachment of the bones. This is the example of endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Exo mean outside and endo mean inside. Part of the skeleton are, there are two main parts. One is the cartilage, second is the bone. We can explain one by one both. They are present in the living cells and have the ability to grow and repair themselves. The human skeleton, the role of the skeleton is the movement, protection, and the support along the muscular system. Skeleton system help to move. We can move, we can play our body. It provides the support to the body mass also. All the movement is by the skeleton. These are the bones. The skull bones are never to move. There are few sutures which are present in the skull which are never to move. The next one is your backbone. The backbone, total curvatures of the backbones are present, due to which we are able to move, to stand, to sit. These are all by the, this all from our curvatures of the bone. The cartilage is the less strong than the bone. It is dense, clear blue white framework of the form of the connective tissue. The cells are called the chondrocytes, and there is a matrix, a central space fluid present, which is called the leukemia, and the blood vessels also present. This is the histology of the cartilage. The chondrocytes are the specified cell which are present here, and the total appearance of the blue stain connective tissue. Cartilage, the type of the cartilage is the hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is the strong and flexible cartilage. The importance of this cartilage is it's an covering the ends of the long bones, nose, larynx, and the trachea and bronchial tubes. Means the respiratory system. It is present in the respiratory system mostly, found the ends of the long bones and the larynx, trachea. The cartilage, elastic cartilage, it is similar to hyaline cartilage, but the quite strong and the elastic fibers due to the addition of the collagen fiber. It has an elasticity due to the network of the collagen fiber, and it is found in the epiglottis and ear pinna area, the outside area. Okay, this is present here. The quite strong but has elasticity due to the network of the elastic fiber. The third one is the fibrous cartilage. Is a tough and less flexible due to the large number of thick collagen fibers which are present in the knitted form. It is found in the intervertebral disc. The cells are in the round form, and these are present in the intervertebral disc, the backbone area, where the vertebrae are joined with each other.